There it is, like a Chevy pulled in the shop. She needs total restoration or front brakes, and she can do some local burnout competitions. I'm thinking front brakes and a drive shaft, and she's burnout competition ready. And we'll see where we go from there. But I drove in here, no leaks, sounded good. No brakes was a little tricky, but we managed. Idling a little high, but a few things going on there. Tear this thing apart. Turn it into a pulling machine, pulling truck. Hack this thing up, turn it into a pulling truck. Burnout machine, pulling truck, darker Newfoundland truck. Big dreaming. We could do anything with it. It's definitely going to get hacked up for something fun.